Okay, sure. I'll wait for Phil right here.
You get a certain reaction from law enforcement that's unfavorable. Is that
If it's unfavorable, if it's good.
You're on state property right now. You're in a secure treatment facility. We don't have a problem with you going around the outside of the building.
Just you got consent from the facility to do that, or?
Yeah.
And don't interview the officers. Thank you.
All right. Yep.
How's it going?
Hey, good. How are you?
Doing good. You getting all the information you need?
Oh, everything.
Did Phil hook you up?
Yeah. Phil
He
was
did?
like.
All right, he educated you on everything?
Yes, he did. Yes,
Okay.
he did. So, have you ever accidentally touched the fence?
Touched it? Yeah. Well, I mean, you have to test it. So yeah, it's been touched multiple times.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, it's been touched
Okay.
by people. So
By
who
people.
Do you work with?
I'm
Are you
independent.
alone?
Yeah, independent guy.
Because I know there's multiple people that go around and test the grounds of First Amendment rights on law enforcement properties and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
And so are you one of the local ones? Or are you outside the county? Or
I'd rather not say.
Yeah.
But
that's fine.
yeah, I do live in the United States. I'll give you California. I live in California.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
You got multiple videos posted online?
Multiple.
Okay.
Multiple subscribers. People are watching everything that's going on.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
Sounds
man.
good.
Yeah.
All right. So what kind of questions did you have for Phil? Was he able to answer any questions?
He did. I had one question that I was.
Stand in the shade.
Yeah, that'd be way better.
Yeah.
So I know this is the Atascadero State Hospital.
Yeah.
Is this like criminally insane, or is this like because
Well,
I don't want to use any weird terms.
The proper term is a forensic hospital. So basically what that means is you can't just get admitted here. You can't like self-admit
Okay.
to get in here. A judge has to rule that you have a certain mental disorder,
Okay.
and then they rule that you have to come here for treatment.
Gotcha. Okay.
And so there's 5 state hospitals. You got Napa way up north. You got Atascadero. You got Coalinga in the valley. You got Metro and Patton down south.
Okay.
Some of the hospitals have females housed. I think the 2 down south have that.
Okay.
Coalinga has the sexually violent predators.
Oh, wow.
Kind of civil commitments.
Okay.
We treat multiple convictions, I guess you'd say, penal code violations. So what will happen is, let's say someone, homeless on the street, commits a crime, they get locked up, county jail, they go before the judge, they have no idea what what's going on.
Mm-hmm.
Judge usually goes, this person obviously doesn't know what's going on.
Okay.
Send them to a state hospital for a little while, get them on meds, program them, educate them on the judicial system.
Right.
And then after they've been here for 90, 120 days or so, then they get sent back out to county jail to see the judge again.
Okay.
And then, they'll either get let back out onto the street or they'll, remain locked up for whatever crime they committed.
Okay. So it's kind of like an evaluation process
Kind of,
/
and
treatment.
there's other people that will parole. Like, let's say you were in prison
Mm-hmm.
for a little while.
Yeah.
And then while you're in prison, you get out of prison, but they think you're not ready. So you still need some more treatment. So they send you
Okay.
back over here
Okay.
for treatment. On the website for the state hospital, they have a list of all the commitments on there. It kind
Okay.
of lays it out. The generic terminology, it will have the penal code. It will have what they're called, like if they're a parolee or a mentally disordered offender or certain civil commitment
Yeah.
on there, and then we'll have a brief explanation of
Okay.
everything on there for you.
Hey,
It
man.
help-
Thank you for answering
helps
that.
educate you on that.
That question. I appreciate it.
What other question do you have about it?
That was pretty much it. I got the shots. I don't know. I didn't want to try to go further down that way.
Yeah, down that way you still got a fence over there, and that would be deemed, part of the secure area.
Okay.
This
But-
place has been around, I want to say, it celebrated its 60th anniversary.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Um,
Is our patients from just the state, or is it from all over the United
it's
States?
the state.
The
yeah.
state. Okay.
I haven't seen anyone sent in from another area.
Okay. Is patient the right term?
Yes, that's what they use here because it's a hospital and they're considered patients once they get in here.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Is this your personal recording device, or is that like
No, this is state issued.
State issued.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Might as well have a body. I think everyone should have body cams on.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. So did you get some of these buildings?
Yeah.
Questions?
Yeah. I was on my way out. I just pretty much got the whole.
All right. Well,
everything.
we appreciate you being not rude, cordial.
Hey, thanks, man.
Answering questions and stuff like that.
It's the best way to get the questions answered, you know?
Yeah. No.
I feel.
That's what I know a lot of people that are trying to do this video thing are trying to get everyone's
antagonizers.
Antagonize them.
Yeah.
But it doesn't work out for anyone.
Right.
But yeah, you got any other questions?
No. I just want to thank you. Thanks for filling me in, man.
Cool.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep.
All right. And which way are you heading out? You heading out?
Yeah, I was gonna go the way I came.
Okay. Cool. Did you drive in?
No, I took the bus.
Oh, you took the bus in? Mm-hmm. Did they drop you off at that bus?
No, I had to walk. A little ways down to the Rio. What is it? Rio.
El Camino Real.
El Camino Real. But the one that breaks off into here is like Rio Rancho or.
No, well.
I forgot the name of this street.
We call it Entrance Road.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if that's the official name.
Okay. Yeah, I had to walk up to the entrance road, and
that's what we call it. I don't know if Phil had any pamphlets, but most of the stuff, I'm sure you got a smartphone.
I do.
You could pull up the website for the state hospital.
Okay.
And it's got, again, lots of information.
For sure. Do you find any value in what I'm doing here?
No, I do. I think it's good, like, being able to communicate.
Mm-hmm.
That's the key thing.
Right.
Communicate. Not everyone get all antagonized over everything.
Right. And I think it's important for the public to know that there are restrictions on this property, and you can kind of come here, but don't follow the rules. And it's important to kind of test the limits, I guess. Yeah. So that's my reason, man.
Yeah, no, I fully understand. I mean, if you don't know what the rules are, then
right.
Whatever.
Am I free to cut across the lawn?
Yeah, you can cut across the lawn. I mean, they prefer you to walk on the sidewalk and.
Yeah, I might as well follow
across the crosswalks.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know if you need to stop. We got a vending machine inside. If you need to, So the visitors who come here, so family, friends, they're allowed to show up and visit.
Okay.
But what you got to do when you come and visit is they have to have a valid ID.
Okay.
And then when they show up here to visit, they show their ID to the officer, and then they get checked if they have any wants or warrants or anything like that to be cleared.
Gotcha.
And then they basically wait in the lobby, and then they get processed, make sure they're not bringing any contraband in.
Totally.
And they can bring money in to buy snacks and stuff for themselves and for whoever they're visiting.
Okay.
Because there's vending machines inside the visiting room. That's pretty much it.
I think I'm gonna hold off on that just because I want to keep the camera rolling. So, and I'm gonna get going, man.
Cool.
Thank you. Thanks for everything.
Much.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
You too.